We're leaving Gentian Pond Shelter this wet morning. It's a suck fest. I do not like it.
This isn't fun, y'all.
However, the hike must go on. So
Let's continue.
we're gonna go like 3 ladies, and then I'm 3 miles. I'm gonna slap these ladies on the butt because I want to get to town. I don't want to tent in this crap either unless it clears up. So let's see what happens. Leaving Gentian Pond. I'll catch up. Have a good day. There she goes. Katie did. And look at this fog, rain, kind of a yucky day, but what a beautiful scene, huh? Must be coming off a pond up here. Let's take a look. Yeah. Little pond. It's like walking through Sherwood Forest.
Let's hope we don't get robbed.
No, we are Robin Hood. Let's hope we don't run into the prince or the king, because they got somebody to reckon with. The sheriff. Yeah, F the sheriff. No, I'm kidding.
Is that cool?
He's working for the bad guy. Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, you have a digital camera. I love it. Yeah. I have like very similar. Nice. Yep. I'm gonna go a little ahead, yeah, and then that way I get some action shots.
Okay.
So I'll tell you when. Okay. Let me turn around and see how it's gonna look.
Probably foggy.
Oh yeah, but
Um,
BAT.
yes. Well,
Junction.
yeah, closer to the junction. As opposed to Trident Towers.
Which is 2.7.
Yeah.
It's really not that big of a difference.
Right. The trick is if we do it well. What are you thinking, my friend?
Me?
Yeah, would you come with us if we do this?
No, I gotta stay on trail. Towboat uphill. So along the way you stop for views, you know. This one is Wocket Ledge. Wocket. But today, not such a wocket. More like a socket. It's sucked in. Yuck. Can't see nothing. What you gonna do? Carry on. Get some miles. Let's see if I can make it to Gorham today. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Why not? Detour went in because she's got a big blister on her finger that she's worried about, which I would be too because it's a big puffy thing. She needs to have it looked at. And yeah, it's only 8 miles, so let's see how I feel as the day goes. If the rain's done, should be able to do it, but we'll see. I'll keep you posted. The views. Woo! Down, down, down. Okay, I came from Gentian Pond. Let's see. Oh, Trident campsite is behind me. I can keep going. I think I'm going to keep going to the stream. Because the Trident campsite is 0.2 off trail. However, it's probably got a privy and all that, but it is a campsite without, it's a tenting site. So they've probably got pads and all that, but I think I'm going to push ahead. Gorham is only 6.3. To make it an early morning, I'm going to get a couple miles more in today, make it 4 tomorrow to get into town instead of 6. Because I heard there's a stealth site next to the stream, so here I go. Still wet, gross, but I'm going to get there.